Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to find the area of a regular polygon. If you remember from first semester, a regular polygon is a polygon that has congruent sides and congruent angles. So all sides are the same and all of the angles are the same. So I have a pentagon here with 5 sides. All 5 of these sides are 10 meters. And all of these angles inside are congruent to each other as well. In order to find the area of this polygon, what I'm going to do is take the center of the polygon connected to each of the vertices to create triangles. So I'm going to start with this first triangle right here. Now remember how to find the area of a triangle. That is half base times height, or base times height divided by 2. Since I know all of my sides are congruent, this side of the triangle is 10 meters. I'm going to use that as the base. And the height of this triangle is given is 8 meters. This 8 meters right here is an important piece in order to find the area. This is called the apothem. All it is basically the height of the triangle when you draw in each of the triangles in your polygon. So half of 10 times 8 gives me 40 meters squared for the area of the triangle. Now I'm going to draw in the rest of these triangles, again from the center to each of the vertices. So in total, I have my first original triangle, 2, 3, 4, and 5 triangles. Notice that this original figure has 5 sides, and I was able to draw 5 triangles here. You will always get the same number of triangles that you have the number of sides. So the area of this pentagon, and all of these triangles are congruent because the bases are all the same and the heights are all going to be 8 meters as well. So all I need to do is take the area of the triangle and multiply it by the number of triangles I have in order to find the area of this entire pentagon. So in this case, the area of the triangle is 40. I have 5 triangles. Multiply those together, and that will give me a total area for the pentagon is 200 square meters. There you have it. You can apply the same strategy to any regular polygon. As long as all the sides are the same and all the angles are the same, you can break it up into congruent triangles and figure out the area of each triangle and then multiply by the number of triangles.